Today's presentation topic is fermentation processes and its requirements. The content of these presentations are as follows. Firstly, we will cover what is fermentation and then types of fermentation processes, alcoholic fermentation processes, lactic acid fermentation processes, difference between aerobic and anaerobic fermentation, and then last we will cover general requirements. What is fermentation? This process converts sugar into alcohol. Yeast is a type of fungus. It involves chemical conversion of carbohydrates into alcohol or acid. Any process used to make alcoholic beverages or acidic dairy products, any energy releasing process take place only in anaerobic condition. Anaerobic condition means in the absence of oxygen. Types of fermentation processes. These are of two types: alcoholic fermentation process, lactic acid fermentation. We will discuss one by one. Alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation is a process which converts sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. In this process, glucose and fructose are used as a sugar. It occurs yeast, which is a type of fungus, and bacteria as a Zymomonas mobilis. In this reaction, glucose is firstly converted into two molecules of pyruvate. In alcoholic fermentation, the pyruvic acid from glycolysis loses one carbon in the form of carbon dioxide to form acetaldehyde, which is reduced to ethyl alcohol by NADH. When acetaldehyde is reduced to ethyl alcohol, NADH becomes NAD positive. This is the fermentation that commonly occurs in yeast, like lactic acid fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation allows glycolysis to continue by ensuring that NADH is returned to its oxidized state. Lactic acid fermentation. Lactic acid fermentation is a process which converts sugar into lactic acid as a sole products. In this process, glucose and sucrose are used as a sugar. It occurs in bacteria as a lactobacillus, but can occur in skeletal muscle of animals during low oxygen levels. In this reaction, glucose is converted into two molecules of pyruvate. Pyruvate is converted into lactate via enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. In lactic acid fermentation, the pyruvic acid from glycolysis is reduced to lactic acid by NADH, which is oxidized to NAD positive. This commonly occurs in muscle cells. Lactic acid fermentation allows glycolysis to continue by ensuring that NADH is returned to its oxidized state. Difference between aerobic and anaerobic fermentation. Aerobic fermentation is the presence of oxygen which produces energy, but anaerobic fermentation converts organic substrate like carbohydrates to ethanol or lactic acid in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic fermentation consists of two parts: organs and the body of cell. Body means the area where the organs of the cell are kept. Aerobic fermentation occurs in cytoplasm or mitochondria both, and anaerobic fermentation occurs only in cytoplasm. Aerobic fermentation occurs in higher animals and plants. Anaerobic fermentation occurs in yeast, parasites and bacteria. Aerobic fermentation uses molecular oxygen and anaerobic does not use oxygen. Aerobic fermentation produces 6 water molecules per glucose molecule. Anaerobic fermentation does not produce water. Aerobic fermentation. Glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and oxygen. NAD positive regeneration occurs in the electron transport chain. ATP is produced during the NAD positive regeneration. 36 ATP is produced. In anaerobic fermentation, glucose is incompletely oxidized either into ethanol. NAD positive regeneration occurs during the partial oxidation of pyruvate. ATP is not produced during the NAD positive regeneration. Only 2 ATP is produced. Requirements. First is pure culture. Pure culture organisms like yeast need proper growth. There should be no impurity in it, otherwise the process will not be done properly. Sterilized medium. Sterilized medium in which microorganisms are growing, whether it is sugar or something else. This medium should be clean. There should be no more impurity or dirt. The seed fermenter is that which is inoculum. To start the process, inoculum means when yogurt is to be made, we put old yogurt in the milk so that the process start early. They are called inoculum. Production fermenter. Production fermenter means a large scale model in which fermentation process is carried out. And last is equipments: drawing the culture medium, cell separation, collection of cell, product verification that purifies alcohol or yogurt, the effluent treatment that remains after being processing from waste products has to be treated.